Right.
What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video.
Yes, indeed.
Ron Yates here.
Ellie.
We hanging out in, where are we?
LaGuardia Airport.
LaGuardia. What do you think about LaGuardia Airport?
I must say, major updates, not updates, but upgrades. Last time we've been here, we probably came 10 plus years. And it looked like it was run down.
Oh, yeah.
Nothing was fixed. This time around, major difference.
Yeah,
Like,
it's real nice.
We don't even want to leave the airport. That's how nice it is.
Yo, especially when you compare, like actually when we got to get a quick tour of the American Airlines. What is
that, lounge?
It's the lounge.
Yes.
Yo, that is nice. And honestly, I'm not big on credit cards with annual fees.
Yeah.
But they got this, I think it's a Citibank card or a Citi card. And
I can't remember the card.
yeah, I can't remember. I'll find it and drop a link for you guys in the description down below. But that card, it's got like a $450 annual fee, but it gives you so much if you travel.
Yeah.
And that lounge, they have so much free stuff.
They got free drinks, you guys.
Yeah, like alcohol.
Not just water. That's what I was going to say. Some free alcohol.
They got them adult beverages.
Yes, indeed. Food, coffee, anything. I mean, I believe is worth it because I just spent $50.
50, that's 50.
Yes, 50 on a burrito and 2 burrito bowls and water.
Yeah.
So,
Was that Life Water?
life water.
That Life Water was like $6. So we asked for some free cups. That way we can try to stretch that dollar a little further. But
Indeed.
and the cool thing is on that American Express lounge, it's really luxury. Like they even have showers there.
Yes.
They have like private bathrooms. Like there's a lot you can do there. There's a lot you get in that value, in that amount. And apparently it's a little bit different than how Delta does theirs, because Delta, you can only, if you have access to their lounge, you can only use the lounge out of the airport that you depart from. But with the American Express one, no, excuse me, American Airlines one,
Credit cards and
I know,
airline.
right? You can use the lounge in the airport you depart from and the airport you arrive at. So that's a big difference.
Major.
Especially since we had layovers, or not layovers, we had a delayed flight coming out of Atlanta.
Yeah, coming to New York. It was delayed by maybe an hour and a half.
Yeah.
Not too bad. Because, I mean, I've heard worse. Especially my cousin stuck in Florida.
Yeah, like Fort Lauderdale?
Yeah, it was a flood. She got delayed like maybe 7 times. I don't even know, maybe 24 hours.
Yeah.
So she had a 4-year-old with her. So you imagine that.
Exactly. Now, it would have been way more manageable if she had that American Airlines luxury lounge club.
God.
Because number one, it would have been covered.
Yes.
She would have been in there for free. Drinks, snacks, beverages. There's lounge areas. There's a shower. Her kid, who is under 18, 4 years old, he would have stayed with her for free.
Yeah.
And you can bring 2 guests with you per card holder.
That's a plus.
So, like, let's just say I had a card and I listed you as like a authorized user.
Yeah.
You have your own card.
Yeah.
I could bring 2 guests. You could bring 2 guests.
What?
And our kid, he's less than 18 years old, so he comes for free. So he don't even count.
Man.
So we could bring 4 more people basically with us. And if you didn't have it, it'd be like $59 a day. Anyway.
That's not bad.
Yeah, I thought that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Like I said, I ain't trying to spend no extra money, but it's going to pay for itself.
Yeah.
Because we just spent $50 for food, and this is just for here.
Yeah.
I don't even remember how much we spent leaving Atlanta.
Yeah.
You know?
Probably another $50.
Yeah.
So that's $100 right there.
And I'm not trying to promote the card. I'm not getting nothing from it, but
Yeah.
I thought it was a good deal, so I figured I'd share that information with you guys.
What else? Just coming back to New York. We're both from New York, and we thought we were gonna come back to just a nasty area. People being rude, disrespectful, and it was total opposite.
Man,
I was like, wow, these people are super nice, respectful, generous. Like, we were in just like, like, wow, New York has really, really changed a lot.
Yeah. I mean, last time I was up here that's nearly 20 years ago. And the whole,
Last time
was it 20?
for your grandma's
Yeah.
funeral,
Yeah.
that was more than 20 years ago?
I think it was like, all right, 15, 20.
Maybe 15.
Okay.
Yeah,
But, the vibe way better now.
completely different.
Like, I didn't even want to come up here. I came up for medical reasons.
Yeah,
As you guys can see,
surgery.
still trying to recover. I can barely speak right now. My whole lower jaw is like stiff, sore.
But the good thing is I made sure to get a hotel walking distance to everything.
Oh yeah, we were on 42nd Street.
So we were literally 10 minutes walking distance to Times Square, the Empire State Building, the Chrysler Building. What else? There was so much stuff around us.
Oh, what was that one Vanderbilt?
Yeah.
Yo.
Summit 1 Vanderbilt. That was amazing.
That was sick.
3 minutes down the street from us, and we
Yeah.
bought tickets ahead of time. And how long did we stay in there?
We was in there like a good 3 hours.
3 or 4
at
hours.
least.
And
At
the
least.
tickets, $39 a person. You cannot beat that.
You can't
I
beat that.
thought we were gonna come and buy tickets, to go to these places, and we're gonna spend like $100 per person, and we did not. So that was actually awesome. $30 a person, and then yesterday we actually bought some tickets to go see the Statue of Liberty. That was amazing too. We took the ferry, and that was $39 a person as well. So, but a tip too, if you guys are coming to New York, make sure you guys get a hotel that is walking distance to a lot of things. That way you don't have to take a cab or a lift. We took the subway the whole time. We took the lift maybe twice, and you would think you would get there a lot sooner in a car. No, because the traffic in New York is horrible. We got there faster in the train. So, yeah. Just a little side note.
What was that thing we got? It was like a pass that gave you like unlimited.
Yeah, 7-day pass for MARTA subway train. It was, I think, $33 a person, but it was well worth it.
Man, we should have given our passes to someone because we still had days left.
No,
Yeah.
it was today. It was expiring. It said on my thing when you swipe it, like yesterday when we swiped it, it said it is you only have one more day. It was the 23rd. What's today's date? 22nd?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So
I thought we had like 7.
Yeah,
Oh, well.
maybe it's like 5 or 6.
But yeah, I mean, we definitely got our money's worth for that. We're on the trains constantly,
Yeah.
and it just simplified things, and
we
they were
didn't-
fast.
Yeah, they were fast. And we didn't see like disgusting train, nothing. I mean, it smells kind of funky because that's New York subway. But other than that, I mean, everyone was super nice in the train. Like, I actually saw a gentleman, like, he couldn't stand up, heavy set. And there was another guy was
Oh,
like,
yeah, I noticed that.
Like, do you need
Actually, 2 guys on there try to help him
like,
out.
do you need help and stuff like that? And the guy was like, no, I'm good. But that's just to show you how people have changed, and New York has just gotten better,
Yeah.
in my opinion.
And
Yeah.
we got to see a lot, like in just a couple of days. Like, it wasn't even really supposed to be like so much activity on this
No.
trip, but we checked out Wall Street.
That
you
was
know,
cool. That was like one in a lifetime
you know
experience.
what? So yeah, Wall Street. You got Times Square, Statue of Liberty, Empire State Building. We didn't go inside, but we got to get some good views.
Yeah, good pictures.
The World Trade.
Yeah.
9/11. What was that?
Memorial, 9/11 Memorial. We got to check that out. Oh my God, we're missing some places.
I know we're missing some more.
Because
there's a lot.
I try to cram everything in within those 2 days because he had surgery the following day after 2 days of us being here. So I was trying to cram everything in so we can experience New York and then just recover in the hotel. But the procedure went so great that he's not in so much pain, which is awesome.
Dude, I got like Percocets and I didn't even like take them.
Yeah,
I didn't even need
he
it.
took Tylenol. And
I
that
took
was
Tylenol on day 1 and then no more pain meds
Yeah.
after day 1.
It. Yeah. So
So, yeah.
that was great.
Yeah.
And we should be getting back to
Yeah, we got to go
our
board our
gate
plane.
because we're about to board. But this is not going to be the end of it. We're going to give you guys some more updates once we get back home. So
Yeah. So this is like part 1.
part 1, yes.
All right, guys. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and wish us a safe flight.
Yeah. Peace.
Peace. Why's my shit looking